Happy are those whose transgression is forgiven, whose sin is covered. Happy are those to whom the Lord imputes no iniquity, and in whose spirit there is no deceit. Alam niyo mga kapatid, kapag meron tayong mga kasalanan hindi po naihingi ng kapatawaran, no, ay kahit masaya ka, mga kapatid, sa loob mo ikaw ay malungkot. Merong guilty feeling. Ang tunay na kaligayahan ay madarama lamang ng isang taong hindi naglilihim o hindi nagtatago ng kasalanan, at kung nagkasala man ay agad-agad ay humihingi ng kapatawaran. Kanino man, at higit lahat sa ating Panginoon. Mga kapatid, while I kept silence, my body wasted away through my groaning all day long. For day and night your hand was heavy upon me. My strength was dried up as by the heat of the summer. Kita niyo mga kapatid? I then acknowledged my sin to you, and I did not hide my iniquity. I said, I will confess my transgression to the Lord, and you forgave the guilt of my sin. Kaya nga po, ay ipahayag agad natin mga kasalanan.